I just want to make this video so you would be able to understand what I mean. When I write like use bands around 25% of total weight, then I give you at a 9 RPE and I give you a 0.42 velocity. What I'm trying to do is teach you intent. So really, if you have a velocity tracker, like if you have a Flex or GymWare or some other unit, just worry about the 0.42. You could, if you want to measure out like 25% of your what you think is your estimated 3RM, you can. Some of my athletes are very particular, so they measure it with like these hanging scales that you might get from, like to measure meat hanging up. But really, you can just go, or you can just go by 9 RPE. So put some bands on and work up until you're at a 3RM at 9 RPE. And so, and 90% is just what, that's about what a 9 RPE 3RM is. So I'm just giving that 90%, assuming that when you get to the total, it'll be somewhere around there. So, and if you look over here, like if this person's 1RM is 191, so 90% of the 3 is somewhere around 170. So if you wanna measure 25% of bands and then think about, so you take 25% times the 191, so 191 times 25%. So if you want to put somewhere between 45 and 50 kilos of bands on, and then say you put 50. I told you 171 is 90%. So 171 minus 50. That means you have 121 kilos of bar weight that you'll probably put on. But really, like I said, all that matters, if you're tracking velocity, just put some bands on and keep working up until you're at 0.42. So that's the simplest way to do it. Or you're at a 9 RP, meaning you could have done one more rep. You hit a number on a triple where you could have done one more rep, and that's where you stop. So anyway, I hope that explains it. It's really simple. It's just mainly trying to teach you guys how to worry about intent.